Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials, Python 3, 8 or newer, pip, and a virtual environment. Create your bot in Telegram using BotFather and copy the API token. Treat it as a password. Once done, activate your Venv and pip install Python Telegram bot. Make sure to verify the installation by importing Telegram in an interactive shell. Now that prerequisites and the first actionable steps are complete, open your editor and create a small main Py to hold your bot code. You will wire the core, create an updater with your token, then grab the dispatcher to register handlers. Add command handler for /start and other commands, message handler for text, and callback query handler for inline buttons. Write concise callback functions that accept update and context. Use context. User data to persist small state. Once handlers are registered, call updater. Start polling to run the bot locally. Make sure to include graceful shutdown with updater. Idle, so your bot exits cleanly when you stop it. You're almost finished. Test every command locally and exercise inline keyboards and callbacks. Enable logging at info or debug to see requests, responses, and exceptions in real time. For production, choose polling on a reliable VPS or switch to webhooks behind HTTPS. Make sure your SSL and domain are configured. If things go wrong, first verify the token and network connectivity, then inspect stack traces for handler errors. Keep a single troubleshooting tip in mind. Reproduce the failure locally with verbose logging to pinpoint the cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.